हेलो गाइस, तो कैसे हैं आप सब? इफ यू आर ए स्कूल स्टूडेंट और a college student, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you 5 ways in which you can earn money. First of all, by earning from Instagram, earning from blogging, earning from creating a website. Fourth, earning as a blogger, earning as a freelancer. So let's begin the video. Welcome to Jadoo Power Tech. The opportunity for making money on Instagram. I will tell you 3 ways. Doing sponsor post for brands that want to get in front of your audience, like you have a meme page and upcoming meme page want more audience, so they can pay for you and you will promote their page on your stories or post. Second way, becoming an affiliate and making a commission selling other brands product. In this way you can earn money as like a broker. You can take affiliate partnership with Amazon also. Third way, creating and selling a physical or a digital product or offering a paid service. You can create your own product as a physical or a digital, or give a service and charge for it. These are the 3 ways by which you can earn money from Instagram. Jadoo Power Tech have a meme page on Instagram. I will give link in bio. Follow that. Moving towards second topic, how to make money on YouTube. The first way is become a YouTuber and earn from ads. You can start your YouTube channel and you can earn from your ads. If you want ads on your YouTube channel, then your channel must have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time in a year. Then only you have ads on your YouTube channel and you can earn. Move to second point. Let your audience support your work through fan funding. This means that your subscriber, your viewers can give you some transaction, some money to you. Third point, creating and selling physical or a digital product. You can create your digital product or a physical product and sell through your YouTube channel. You have a huge audience on YouTube, then you can easily sell your product and redirect them in any way. Moving towards third topic, how to make money from website. You can go through pay-per-click advertising from Google AdSense. It's really a great way to earn from your website. If your site will have more CPC, then you will pay more. You can launch online courses. You can create further course. If anybody interested in buying, then they will buy a further course and that you can earn. So again, here is a point, sell your digital product, for example ebook. Whatever your product is, digital or physical, you can sell through your website. Affiliate marketing. You can promote different companies' product and get your commission as a broker. There are the lots of ways from earning through your website. I can tell you more and more, but at the last I want to say, you can grow your website and sell it in a great price and get your income. You can visit our website. I will give link in description. So move to fourth topic, how to make money from blogging. It is same as website. You can earn from pay-per-click advertising from Google AdSense. As I explained you, the more CPC will be, the more income you will get. The more clicks you will be, the more income you will get. So moving towards second point, you can give your services. It can be of any kind. It can be digital marketing services or other. Again, the same as your website, you can sell your own digital product, like example ebook. Rather than ebook, you can promote your physical and digital product both, as I said earlier also. Fourth point, you can be an affiliate marketer, promotes other services or a product and get commission by them, like by Amazon, ClickFunnels and many others give you a affiliate commissions. Other than this, you can promote other bloggers on your post and charge from them. Fifth and last topic, how to earn as a freelancer. First, determine what you are good at. This is the main thing. You have to know what you have to do. Create a website, UI, UX, front end, back end, or you have to go in designing like a logo designing and whatever you have to do. Then second, topic you have to do is set up your profile on any site like freelancer.com or a workup. Third, find your project and start work on it. As you get your project and start working on it, you are no far from your salary as a freelancer. At the last, you complete your project with your whole hard work and get complete with your project and submit it, and you will be paid soon. So these are the 5 things you can earn money as a school student or a college student. So if you like this video, then like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe Jadoo Baba Tech channel and press the bell icon so you can watch my videos as early as possible.